Okay, so many of you Quest 3 owners may have noticed that if you upgrade to, or rather update to version 64 or higher in the future, you will not have the option for 120 hertz mode anymore, okay? Well, I looked on the forums and found this. This is what official MetaQuest support said about it. Hey guys, so I have an update from the team. So while you'll no longer see this toggle option on Quest 3, 120 Hz may be supported. Here's how it will work on the Quest 3. If a game is programmed to support 120 Hz refresh rate, it can run at that frame rate when requested. Some games allow users to manually select the refresh rate, and if built within the game's user face, 120 Hz could be an option available to choose from. On Quest 3, regardless of the game installed, the option to toggle on/off 120 Hz will not be visible on Quest 3 setting panel. For Quest 2, the settings are still there. However, people did still have questions about this, including me, honestly, because I was not entirely sure what that meant entirely. So they did proceed to respond like this. Being able to have your headset run with 120 Hertz refresh rate is truly an amazing feat that Meta has rolled out to the headsets. I'm assuming they meant rolled out to the headset. Now, I do understand you are wanting to toggle again, and I can assure you it's not going anywhere. Apps and games are still able to use this mode over the 90 Hertz mode, as the new default mode is now the 120 Hertz refresh rate. Hope that clears up any misunderstandings. So, what I can glean from that is it seems like that is the new standard. 120 Hertz refresh rate would just be on by default, I guess. I really don't know. Okay, so here's the question I have for you guys. Do you guys see that as a good thing or a not good thing? I'd be interested to know. Because if this is true, what they said, or rather, if we take that at face value, that 120 Hertz refresh rate is the new minimum, most people do like 120 Hertz by default, so they turned it on. But I do know some people who didn't like the amount of battery drain or whatnot. So they actually did not turn it on. In fact, they opted to leave it off on purpose. I'd love to know your thoughts on the matter because, I mean, for me, it's good as long as this is, in fact, what they mean by this. I'll be honest, I like the flexibility of a toggle. It being by default, it's fine, cool, and all, but I really like the flexibility of a toggle. And apparently, MetaQuest 2 owners still have the toggle option, but I digress. Let me know your thoughts, comment section below, and with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.